Good afternoon. My name is Jeffrey Combs, President and Founder of Golden Mastermind Seminars Incorporated. It is my absolute privilege and pleasure to have with us in the Golden Mastermind studio today, Giovanna Garcia. Giovanna is an exceptional entrepreneur, a success coach, an exceptional blogger, internet marketer, wife, mother, and all-around American girl. Sort of, right?
Yes.
Thanks for having you in our studio today.
Thank you for having me.
I'm going to qualify that. When I say sort of, you actually have a fabulous story of coming to America. You represent the American dream. And I want to thank you for showing that. And I'm going to ask a little bit about that.
Yes.
Because you are one of those people that came from a foreign shore, came to our country,
yes,
the land of the free, and actually are living that freedom.
Absolutely. I came here when I was 16 years old. There's a lot of story I could share, but just to make it quick and simple, I didn't speak English, so there was a lot of mishap, but I knew that to speak English, I got to live in the American town, so I lived in the middle of Anaheim, in Orange County, with all the Caucasian family. Would walk to school, come home, and at school I don't understand anything. I would sit in the front row and watch the teacher teach and read lips at the same time, try to understand what's going on. Get home from school, Three's Company will be on, and I know it's a funny show because a laugh track is going on, but I didn't understand why it's so funny. But over time, I start to understand, and I'm happy to say I know quite a bit of American culture now.
That is an awesome story. Now, did you move here with your family, or how'd you get here?
I came here by myself. My parents were misguided parenting, so they done some things that if they would known better, they would have done differently, but they didn't have the skill. So I knew that for me to be happy and balanced and have my freedom, I got to find my own way. So my country of choices were Australia, Canada, and America. And Australia, all I knew was they have kangaroo. I don't know what to do with them. Canada, they don't carry guns, and I figure if they don't carry guns, probably not very safe. So I decided America, land of the free, and that's kind of how I ended up here.
Well, that is an awesome story. Now let's fast forward to being an entrepreneur. I happen to know, because I know you and your awesome husband Craig, that you started a business very early in your life. Share a little bit about that first business venture you started.
The first venture was a computer business. I bought a database, and I had a list of people to call, and this is way back when you used fax machine and phone, no internet.
I remember those days.
You remember those days?
Thermal fax.
Yes, the thermal paper, and the print got really shrink, you know, small.
And the ones that don't cut off. So
right,
you had to
exactly. So my goal was to make 100 calls every day because it was just me sitting at home and nobody knew I exist. So I would sit home and make my phone call, cold call, 100 calls a day. And the first day, 7 calls, I was just deflated. People hung up on me, yelled at me, cussed at me. How'd you get this number? I mean, it was horrible. But I gathered myself together and I called my husband for a little support, and he said, honey, you just need to get back on the phone. Perfect thing to say. So I said, okay. I hung up 93 more calls, and I kept that up for 2 weeks straight. So 2,000 calls later, and I got my whopping first big sale, $14 floppy drive.
So, got to start somewhere.
Yeah, exactly. And that's kind of how it got started. And then 2 months later, my husband was able to, I made enough money for him to leave his job and come and join us. So we have our own entity. Another month later, we have our first salesman that we hire full-time. Quickly after that, we have our first technician. Altogether, in about 6 months' time, we will grow so big that we have to move out of our little townhouse. The business have to have its own space, and got our first shop. And that's kind of how it all got started. And before you know it, we had that business for 12 years. In the end, it became a multi-million-dollar corporation. I mean, it was pretty amazing. It was a good ride.
That is the American dream. That is the American success story. Start in your bedroom and end up in a boardroom.
Yes, I like that.
That's good. So
yes.
You can borrow that. So
okay.
Let's fast forward, because you have really been on a fast track. Now, I have had the privilege of connecting with your husband Craig, and we have all become friends, my wife Erica and you and Craig.
Yes, you guys are good
But let's
people.
talk about your career, because your career has really taken a quantum leap in the last year. I watched you go from some of the events, you attended some of the events, and all of a sudden now you're a success coach, you're a master blogger, you're an internet marketer, you have multiple streams of income, people are hiring your services. Tell the listening audience a little bit about what's happened to you in the last year.
Okay, great. Well, what happened is I found my purpose and passion in life. And my purpose is to spread the message of imperfect action is better than no action. Because
Great title.
Thank you. Imperfect action is better than no action because most people think I don't want to make my first call, make my first presentation until I can do it perfectly.
Right.
And
Procrastination becomes the identity.
Yeah. And what they are missing is if you don't get started, you're never going to be perfect. So, and I start looking back in my life and all the things that I overcame, and it's all because I took imperfect action one at a time, and over the longevity, I conquered a lot of things. So I realized people need this message. So my business is imperfectaction.com. I have a blog that's very successful that I have readers from South Africa, Australia, I mean all around the world, that people are really driving with this message. I also have a movement on YouTube that is called Imperfect Action Video, and people are shooting little videos to contribute to this philosophy, sharing their imperfect action that they've done, that they're glad they did it.
Social networking.
Yes. And I also got a song, Imperfect Action. Not that I sing it, but I have commissioned somebody to have that done for me to spread the message. So it's really turning into a whole global movement for the imperfect action, and I'm really happy to see where this is going, and my next journey is going to be writing a book on imperfect action.
This is a great mentor for you. For those of you who are watching this is the American dream. Third time I've said it. The American dream is taking advantage of what we have in our country and turning that advantage into profit. Not only profit, but empowering people, and that's what I see you're doing. I mean, you and your husband are an absolute great team, but what I see you doing now, you're now creating your own identity within your team.
Yes.
And there are women who deserve to connect with you. Not only women, but men, but I can already see it. I can see you, it's like another American dream. I end up on Oprah, I can see it happening. One of my clients just this week was on Dr. Phil, that same client was once on Good Morning America. I can see you taking this idea to the masses, to the mainstream, to the world.
Thank you. Thank you for that confidence.
Are there any last minute items or anything you'd like to share about what kind of value you're bringing as a coach? Because I know your coaching practice is really starting to flourish, and I've had the privilege of getting to know you. I know that you're an exceptional entrepreneur, but also you can give some great tips, great business guidance from the internet, from personal development, all the above. You're a very well-balanced coach. Share with the folks a little bit about what you can do for them as their success coach. As
a success coach, my value to the table is I'm a very good listener.
That was good.
And I hear their needs. Sometimes they don't realize it, but I can hear it. And after I hear their need, I come up with strategy with them, and I give them steps to take, and then the next week we go over the steps that they take, and then if there's challenges, objectives that they come across that they couldn't overcome during the week period, we can go over that. And if they've done well and there was no challenges and smooth sailing, then we go to the next step. So basically, my coaching program, it's more of an action program. We really achieve.
It's not airy-fairy, and we don't sing Kumbaya, we don't have s'mores.
I do yoga, but that's not for coaching. Coaching is all about producing.
Exactly. See, now that's the American dream. It's the American philosophy, but unfortunately, very few people live it. Now, here's the number one reason I would recommend you as a success coach. Not just because you're attractive, because you're powerful, but here's what else. You represent a woman who has succeeded by doing it, not by thinking about it. You started a business in your bedroom, bring your husband home from work. I mean, he's working to support the business. You guys come together, start a business, you move into a warehouse building, multi-million-dollar business. You and your husband start other businesses, and you have multiple streams of income. This is definitely an entrepreneur you deserve to coach with. Let them know how they can get a hold of you.
Well, you can get a hold of me on my website, that is imperfectaction.com. That's www.imperfectaction.com.
Giovanna, thank you for being an exceptional entrepreneur. Thank you for being in the Golden Mastermind Seminars studio this afternoon. One last situation, let them know about a book you have coming out soon.
Oh yes, I'm working on a book right now, and it's going to come out very shortly, and you can get my book on imperfectaction.com, and if you want to get follow-up and check up with my progress, you can always sign up on my newsletter.
Thank you very much, Giovanna Garcia. Have a great afternoon.
Thank you, Jeff.